Around 14% of people experience constipation at some point in their lives. The good news is that certain foods can help relieve constipation through different mechanisms. Based on scientific evidence, here are 5 foods that can help keep your digestion regular. Number 1. Prunes. Dried plums, commonly known as prunes, are one of the most well-known natural remedies for constipation. Just 3 prunes, about 28 grams, provide roughly 2 grams of fiber. Much of this fiber is insoluble, which increases water content in the stool and adds bulk. Prunes also contain sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that draws water into the colon, producing a mild laxative effect in some people. Additionally, prunes are rich in phenolic compounds, which support healthy gut bacteria and may further aid digestion. In one study, people with constipation who consumed 100 grams of prunes daily experienced better stool frequency and consistency than those using psyllium fiber. Number 2. Kiwi fruit. Each kiwi fruit contains about 2.3 grams of fiber, which is around 9% of daily fiber needs. While kiwis aren't the highest fiber fruit, research shows they're especially effective for constipation. Studies found that eating 2 kiwi fruits per day increased bowel movement frequency, reduced reliance on laxatives, and improved overall digestive comfort. In people with IBS, kiwis also helped speed up colonic transit time. Beyond fiber, kiwis contain an enzyme called actinidin, which is believed to support gut motility. Number 3. Apples. Apples are another fiber-rich fruit. A medium apple provides about 4.4 grams of fiber, or 17% of the daily recommendation. Most of this comes from pectin, a soluble fiber. In the gut, pectin is fermented by bacteria into short-chain fatty acids, which help draw water into the colon, soften stool, and speed up digestion. Studies have shown that pectin can improve constipation symptoms and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Number 4. Pears. Pears are especially high in fiber, with about 5.5 grams per medium pear, covering over 20% of daily needs. They also contain higher levels of fructose and sorbitol compared to many other fruits. Since fructose isn't fully absorbed in some people, it can reach the colon and pull in water, creating a natural laxative effect. Number 5. Figs. Figs are an underrated but powerful food for digestive health. One fresh fig contains about 1.6 grams of fiber, while half a cup of dried figs delivers over 7 grams, nearly 30% of daily fiber needs. Figs also contain enzymes similar to those found in kiwi fruit, which may help improve bowel movement. In one study, people with constipation who consumed fig paste daily experienced faster intestinal transit, better stool consistency, and reduced abdominal discomfort. Final tips. Along with these foods, staying well hydrated is essential, especially as fiber intake increases. Regular physical activity also plays a major role in maintaining healthy digestion and preventing constipation. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more science-based health content.